first one. Oh yeah, Ultra Skiff is what it's called. A little UFO looking John boat. First slime to ever touch it. The guy that my boss bought it from, he used it for fishing, but I just got it broken in on the Delta. Let's get this guy back. Born this year. Just kidding. I think he's got a craw in his mouth. Oh, look at this little guy. He's got a little craw in his mouth. Let me get my phone out and show you. Alright, let's get this guy back. Gave him a little too much. Another little dink. Sorry, buddy. Back. Messing with the motor a bit. Just a little bit of a dink fest right now. Get this guy in. Wow, this guy's pretty. Look at the green on him. Green and gold. This is a pretty color bass. It's got like a green, yellowish color. Sorry for not talking more. I'm running on like 3-4 hours of sleep. I just stayed up all night last night doing homework. I'm taking a summer class right now while working full time. And I know you guys don't care or want to hear it, you know, the old, oh, woe is me. But I'm not complaining, you know. I'm working full time, doing summer classes, but it's just a little tiring. And I procrastinated a little bit last night. Caused me to stay up till like friggin' 1 a.m. And then I had to wake up at 4 a.m. this morning, book it down here. And me and my boss went and picked up this thing, and now I'm fishing in it. So it's kind of just more of a chill, huck a Senko around in the slough kind of day. I might switch to some other tackle. I brought all my tackle and a couple of rods, but you know, I'm just tired, so I just want to apologize if I'm not as talkative. But I'm having a chill, good time. There's an upsize, not by very much. Hook fell right out. Upsize by a little bit, by like a millimeter. But we'll take it. Upsize is still an upsize. There's gotta be more fish back here. Another one back here. Dinky dinks. Tons of dinks. Still fishing though. Get on there. Boom.